Today's experiment is study of amplitude shifting modulation and demodulation technique. Okay, this is the amplitude this is the frequency shifting modulation demodulation kit, but in this kit also ASK, or that means amplitude shifting modulation and demodulation technique also done by this kit. Okay, at first we describe the kit. Okay, this is the data generation part, this is the power supply, this is the balance modulator, this is also balance modulator, this is carrier generator part, this is carrier generator part, and this is the demodulator part. Okay, at first we require binary signal, that is NRZ signal, non-return to zero signal for ASK. Message signal in this modulation technique, message signal is NRZ signal and carrier signal is also sine wave. Okay, for this is the NRZ signal and this is the balance modulator for ASK modulator. Okay, then NRZ signal is connected to modulator and carrier signal is inbuilt connection is done here. Carrier signal block is here and inbuilt connection is doing here. Okay, that means we get finally output, modulated output from here. Okay, by the help of DSO, this is DSO, we can measure the all signal. At first we going to the message signal part. Previous we said that there is in BNC probe, this is we require two BNC probe for two channel DSO. Okay, we at first we see the message signal. Okay, for message signal measurement we need to connect the BNC probe negative part in ground. This is the ground point and positive part is connected to NRZ signal. Okay, next we going to the DSO part. In DSO there is a signal. At first we need to press auto, then signal is coming, then we need some adjustment by the x-axis knob. This is x-axis knob and this is y-axis knob. Okay, and need to click the measure button for measurement. Okay, voltage is showing but frequency is not showing. For frequency is not showing, so adjustment is required. Again we press the auto button, then measure. Now frequency is showing. Next stop button is need to press. This is the value of message signal, that is message signal, binary signal and other name is NRZ signal. The value of the NRZ signal is 6.40 and the frequency is 6.40 volt and the frequency is 7.81 kilohertz. Okay, it is clear that in this modulation technique we require message signal as a binary signal. Okay, or NRZ signal. This is the message signal. And next we going to the carrier measurement of carrier signal. Okay, next this point is switched to this point for carrier measurement. Now time to press auto and needs some adjustment. Channel 2 is getting off. measure button is pressed. Okay. Adjustment is required. Next, stop button is pressed. Okay, this is the carrier signal. The value of carrier signal is 2.40 volt and frequency is 500 kilohertz. Okay. Next we going to the modulated signal part. Now modulated signal is getting from here and the output is showing here. We need to press auto. Need some adjustment. Okay, this is the modulated signal. Okay, now I want to use two channel and second channel is connected to carrier. Okay, second channel by the BNC probe, second channel is connected to carrier. Common is probe connected to here and the carrier signal here. Then we going to the DSO part. Auto, press auto. Now observe the in DSO that this is modulated signal, this is carrier signal. Okay. Okay, and that the frequency carrier signal is passed here and carrier signal, there is no carrier signal. There is carrier signal, there is no carrier signal. Okay, I want to say that when the message signal is on, then the carrier signal is passed, and when the message signal is off, then the carrier signal is off. It is showing here. So this modulation technique is called on-off King signal or OOK modulation technique. Okay, that is when carrier signal is present, the input message signal is 1, then the carrier signal is passed to the modulator, and when the message signal is 0, because message signal is a binary sequence or energy signal. When the 1, then the carrier signal is passed to the modulated signal, and when the carrier signal message signal is 0, then there is no carrier in the output. Okay. For demodulation, the modulated output is connected to the demodulator part and we get demodulated signal from here, and we get the signal as a energy signal. Amplitude is slightly changed but frequency is the same. Okay, this is the total part of ASK or amplitude shifting modulation demodulation technique.